This video is sponsored by unolist.com.
Hi guys, today we're going to show you how to crimp a Ethernet cable. What that means is basically make your own Ethernet cable. So what we have here is a Cat6 Ethernet cable, and we're going to show you how to make a cable like this. I mean, a lot of times you can buy these cables pre-made, but usually they come in sizes that you may not want. So if you get a longer cable and if you have to make it shorter, or cut it into multiple cables and make your own to whatever size you want, the crimping or making this part yourself will definitely help. So I'm going to show you how to do that. This tool, I mean, on Amazon or Walmart, you can buy the Ethernet crimping kit or cable making kit. So it comes with this crimping tool, and this is the I mean, you can make multiple type of cables with this, but one of the cable that you can make is the RJ45 or Ethernet crimping tool. So, and they will also come with these couple of different tools that would be used to strip the wiring, and I'm going to show you how to use those tools. If you're trying to make a custom size, here's what you have. You have cut off a cable, and this is what you have, and then like this, and use the stripping tool to whatever length you want. For example, we're actually going to leave a couple of at least more than an inch when we strip it, just so that we have room to work with. So it just comes off like that with that tool. If you do it with any other plier, it's kind of hard to do, or a knife, you might cut the actual wires. So once you take off the cover, you're going to see these the twisted pairs like this. So untwist the pairs like that, and this middle separating piece, this is just a piece of plastic. We can take that out, we don't really need it. Use a plier. This you can cut off with a plier. Okay, so once that's gone, let's just untwist all the pairs, and we're going to show you the wiring diagram for the Cat 6. Let me line these up, and we'll line these up according to the wiring diagram for the Cat 6. So as you can see, here's what so just by doing this, you can straighten these wires and just line them up according to the picture that's shown in the video, or wiring diagram that's shown in the video. And the way it would go is you got white green, solid green, white orange, then solid blue, white blue, orange, white brown, and brown. So the wire 1 is going to be the white green, and the last one, the 8, is going to be the brown, solid brown. So we got to straighten these like this. I don't know if you can see clearly or not, but like that. Once these are straightened, we're going to cut them off about a ½ inch like that. So here's here's where the wire ends, and then we're going to cut them off like ½ inch. Using the crimping tool, it also has a blade inside it, and you can actually cut the wires. Like that, straight. Yeah, once these wires are cut, in terms of length, this is the length you would see. You don't need them to be any longer than that, so that's about ½ inch. and you need to buy these RJ45 connectors, unused ones. So, and we're gonna put this into the connector like this, so that there's a slot inside this for each wire. So we're gonna put them like that and push them in. Okay, as you can see, each one went in easily into its slot without any trouble. Yeah, each one is sitting inside each corresponding slot for the wire. So once it's in, just make sure all of them are sitting in the correct spot. If not, remake it. But otherwise, once it's properly sitting in, then all you would have to do is just make sure it's properly snug, all the wires, and then pick the RJ45 slot. I mean, you got multiple types, RJ11, RJ45, and I don't know this one, which this one is. But so put the wire that you just made with the connector and push it into that, and then just press with this tool. That's it. So it's good to go, and it's solid. It doesn't come off that easily. And as you can see, each wire is separate and sitting in its proper spot. It's very easy to make. As long as you just straighten the wires when you strip them, they just go in very easily. And if not, you can actually get a connector where you can actually put the wires through this connector and then cut them off after you make it. But I don't have one of those, so I mean, these are the ones you find the most common in stores. So I just bought this one, and I made hundreds of these, and they work fine. Thank you for watching.